Hi guys, I hope you're doing all well. It's your girl here, and today it's an update of our kitchen garden. Yes, it's raining. And actually you can see they are so big. Even we are cutting, see. Yeah, this is just an update. They're so all grown. Mostly our spinach, they're so big. See, today it's only spinach, and they're so smelling very good. Yeah, we put organic manure. They're so green, so big. As you can see, they're so big. And here we have some carrots. Here, some carrots. Just an update. We have carrots here. We have potatoes here. I don't know if you can see very well. We have potatoes here down. These are carrots. We have also here potatoes with the blue thing. We have inside that bucket, we have potatoes also. Those are onions. On the other side we have carrots. This is our seed bed. Yeah, it's so big. This is carrots. And over here we have coriander leaves, dania in short. We have coriander leaves, and here we have some capsicum. Yeah, here we have capsicum. Inside these holes we have capsicum. We have also here capsicum. So our kitchen garden is so big now. As you can see now, that's our kitchen garden. And this is the result. And thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. I will update you on these potatoes and on these carrots, Piaizi and Hizi. All of them I'll update you. So see you on the next one. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscription button. Put your notification bell on so that anytime I'll be uploading any video, you'll be seeing. Yeah, actually it's raining. So nimekata, so nikakumbuka, yeah, I have to update you guys. Actually I'm wet. But it's so beautiful. As you can see, they're so big and beautiful. So guys, see you on the next one. Adios.